Oh, wow. It's hot here in this van. Um, I need to get a fan in it, and I need to get a lot of different things I really want too. I need to get solar power and some other things. um, it is the depths of summer, and I expected it to be hot. Trying to get the air conditioner to run properly. These Ford Econolines have an air conditioner issue that requires about $1,200 worth of repair, except for that you can bypass that repair bill by bypassing what you're trying to replace, by basically getting the replacement parts and installing them within the cabin area. So that's something that I have done. And yes, it does work. It doesn't work very well yet because I think I still haven't formed a proper vacuum. It involves messing with the vacuum tubes, the vacuum system. Excuse me. Um, well, I don't know if you can see behind me, but there's the rubber is up off the bot out off the rubber is up off the floor of the van, and I don't know if you can see even further back there, and I'll show you later. There's a place where there's some serious rust that needs to be taken out and replaced with a piece of sheet metal, if possible. Or another option would be using fiberglass somehow. I haven't figured out which one I want to do. Either one seems proper and reliable. I would think that welding sheet metal in there would be more reliable than the fiberglass. However, I want to get this done quicker than it costs to pay for welding. I don't know what a welding job costs. So it's a matter of determining the costs and deciding which I want to do. If welding's not that expensive, but is more expensive than fiberglass, I might just do it. Hi, this is David, and this is my van, and I have some work to do on it, or rather some work to have someone do on it. It's going to take some custom welding, I believe. So, the first thing is first, I pulled up the rubber mat, and I found this huge hole here, and all of this rust, and there's a hole right there, and more rust, and all that will probably come out. We're talking about cutting along here, all that out, and back. Okay, so that would be basically everything that's underneath of my hand, back, and all the way across. The people that I spoke to two different places, said it would be roughly $1,000 to fix that. And that's my next goal, is to raise $1,000. Now, if I could have someone help me out with that, I'm going to make a GoFundMe page and work from there. And I will go ahead and post the link in the description to the GoFundMe page. So, basically, to make a long story short, this region here is where I'm thinking of putting the battery and or the solar panels, control units, all the various control units for the solar panels. From here up, pretty much, I think, or maybe just as tall as the wheel well, I think maybe, I'm not sure yet. I haven't quite decided on any of this, to tell you the truth. I'm looking at making a bed across so that I can have a camper. And then the rest of the interior is going to be insulated and have wood paneling inside, as well as some electrical things installed. So this is what I've got so far. And as I said, it's going to cost me about $1,000 to get that fixed. All right, well, thank you. Have a great day.